Playing house looked different in my mind. Didn't have blankets for tables or candles instead of a light, but cozy corners hold more than I could dream. There's not a price that I could pay for all of the things that I feel. No, it's not perfect, but it's ours. As long as we're under the same stars, we could have a penthouse with an ocean view, but that wouldn't change a thing. 'Cause all that I need is 100 square feet